Hi guys, it's Charlene with Sweet Pieces by Me. Welcome back to my channel. I know last time I had shown you these cards and I was having a lot of fun making them. So I thought that I would make a few more cards. So I'm thinking mostly birthday, maybe some celebrate, and some thank you cards. I have the Wildflower birthday paper pack that I opened, and there are a lot of ephemera in there, embellishments, die cuts if you want to call them. I have these really cute tags. I just never trimmed off these edges, but I'm not going to go through every single piece that's in there, but it's basically tags, cakes, let's see, little flowers. There's like a big flowers too, the little gold foil stems. There's a bouquet. This might be cute for like on your special day, because maybe you have a wedding or another special occasion. So what I'm going to do, without picking out too many embellishments, these are just like little strips. These are cute for flags, if you just flag the corner. And then these, of course, for sentiments. Can't get my words right today. So what I'm going to do is I cut a bunch of bases. Now, if you're new to card making, it's super easy to make an A2 card. And all that means is from a half a sheet of cardstock. So let's pretend like this is a whole sheet of cardstock. Okay. You're going to cut it in half at 5.5. So if you turn it inside your paper cutter like this, cut it at 5.5, it's exactly half. Now, of course, you can cut it down this way if you want a card that folds up and it's a skinny card. You could do that, and you would cut it at 4.25, because this is an 8.5 sheet of paper. So I already cut some card bases. I cut them at 5.5. So now I can take my base and fold it in half. You do want to score it. I don't know if you can see that. You do want to score it so you get a nice crease on that fold line, and take a bone folder so you can burnish that nice crease. Now, I also cut a whole bunch of different layers because I didn't know what I'd want to do. I did some cardstock, I did some design paper, so I wasn't sure what I was going to start with. But I do like this piece right here that's mostly embellished for us. And I cut this blue piece, blueberry bushel I think it is, at 4 by 5.25. So 4 by 5.25. And when you do that, that leaves that cute little white edge frame around there. So I like that. This card will open this way, which is a little bit different. So I'm probably going to glue it just like that. Pretty simple card. And then I'll lay down some embellishments. But the first thing I want to do is stamp my sentiment. Because if that doesn't work out right here, and if it's messed up and I don't stamp it very good, or it's blurry, I can turn it over. Of course, I would use that for a different card, because I don't know. That's really pretty, actually. And that is it's a complementary color, but that's very pretty. So if it doesn't work out, I'm going to do that. But what I'd like to do is use a happy birthday. Not sure if I want this little one. I want this big one. They'll take up the whole thing. It won't really fit though. It'll go over my balloons, and I don't want it to go over my balloons. So I'm going to use this one, this tiny happy birthday. I need Night of Navy ink. I don't have blueberry bushel. If I had blueberry bushel, that would match better, because that is blueberry bushel in that designer paper. But I don't have that. So I'm going to use this Night of Navy. And I don't have a re-inker, so I apologize. I got to really slam it on there to get a good navy blue. Now, typically I would put something soft under here too to get a good impression. And I'm gonna take off my glasses and really get in here because I swear I need glasses. Now, I'm gonna go more to the left because I think I'm gonna put something on the right, like flowers or something right here. See, my stamp is a little bit light. Little bit. I definitely need some re-inker for this. That's going to be on my next order. Okay. Now, I'm good with this image. And, I mean, honestly, you can just leave it like that if you'd like. Super simple, cute birthday card. Very simple. I feel like, I mean, I could put a cake on here. Of course, that cake's, excuse me, very big. So I don't like that there. But I think maybe some flowers would be cute. So I'm just gonna pick out a few flowers. Ooh, I kind of like this one. And I do like that one too, but let's see. Also have the peach one and the blue. That'd be pretty too. That's a big pink one. I like that, but I think I'm gonna save that for a different card. And then I have some leaves I could put on here as well, like that. Yeah, something like that. Okay, so I can go ahead and adhere all this together. Trying to get this card done under 10 minutes. And probably will start another card as well, but I mean, under 10 minutes is the way to go. When you're in a hurry and you need some cards. So for this one, I will go ahead and lay it on, and my leaf as well. Just go ahead and glue lay it on, and then where did I have this one? I think I will, oops, move that because I'm gonna pop that up. I think right there. So I could put this over here too. No, I think I'll put it like right here. So it's like coming out of the peach flower. Okay, so I'm gonna pop this up. So I got my large dimensional here. There you go. Cute. Done. Little birthday card in under 10 minutes. Quick and easy. All right, guys. I'm gonna make a few more cards. I just wanted to show you that you can make one of these birthday cards super simple in under 10 minutes. I'll probably make a couple more. These are so fun. Having a kit makes it so fun to pop out a bunch of cards. I have my little Zazzle stamp. I ordered this on Amazon, and it just says handmade by Charlene Becker. Handmade with love by Charlene Becker. I ordered on Amazon. It is a Zazzle stamp. The only thing I don't like about it is my name is very, very tiny on there, but I do love that it is personalized. So there's another one, add to my pile, and then I think I will just keep on going. But forgot. I do like to bling out my cards a little bit. So I've got these resin dots, 2024, 2026 in color resin dots, which match here. They have the peach pie. I like that one. And you can make them all match. You can make them all different. I sometimes like to mix and match. And I just sporadically put them on the card. Remember, if you're going to add embellishments, it looks better if you do it in 3s. So I just have 3 there. And there's my card. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video, guys. Have a great day.